So, what's up everyone? Sujoy here. If you're a small business owner, you probably feel like you're juggling a dozen different hats every single day. Marketing, sales, operations, customer service, and somehow trying to stay ahead of the curve with all the tech and online growth strategies. It's a lot, and let's be real, keeping up, especially as a smaller operation, can feel overwhelming, almost impossible at times. You see bigger companies with huge teams, and it's easy to think you're at a permanent disadvantage. But what if I told you that the game is changing, especially as we look towards 2025? What if you didn't need that massive full-time in-house team to compete and actually thrive? The truth is, the rise of specialized freelance platforms, particularly at the pro level, means you can access top-tier talent on demand. You can get the experts you need for specific projects exactly when you need them without the overheads of full-time staff. It's about working smarter, not just harder. In today's video, I'm diving deep into something I think is a genuine game changer for small businesses. The top 5 Fiverr Pro Services that you should seriously consider integrating into your strategy for 2025. We're talking about services that can help you save a ton of time, significantly boost your revenue, and allow you to grow your business in a smart, sustainable way. If you're ready to stop the guesswork and really elevate your business, you're going to want to stick around for this. And hey, I've made sure to link some top-rated Fiverr Pro Services directly in the description below so you can check them out. Alright, first up, let's talk about branding. This is one of the most crucial foundational pieces for any business. Your brand is often the first interaction someone has with your company. It's your handshake, your first impression, your visual identity all rolled into one. If your logo and online presence look outdated, it's time for an upgrade. This isn't just about looking pretty, it's about building trust and credibility. In 2025, first impressions happen faster and predominantly online. Someone might find you on Instagram, Google, or through a referral. Your logo and brand aesthetic speak volumes before you say a word. A professional, cohesive brand identity signals quality and reliability. Conversely, a poorly designed brand can suggest the opposite. It's a silent communicator that's always working for or against you. This is where Fiverr Pro for logo and brand identity design becomes valuable. Fiverr Pro vets its freelancers rigorously. These are often award-winning designers who have worked with major brands. They understand current design trends and how to translate your business essence into a compelling visual story. For a few $100s, you can get a complete branding package. This typically starts with a professionally designed logo with several concepts to choose from. This logo will be designed with versatility in mind, looking great on everything from a website header to merchandise. A comprehensive brand identity package often includes detailed brand guidelines. This is essentially the rule book for your brand's visual presentation. It specifies how your logo should be used, its sizes and variations for different backgrounds. Consistency is key to building brand recognition over time. People start to associate those specific visual elements with your business, making you more memorable. The fonts you use say a lot about your brand's personality. A pro designer will select a font hierarchy that aligns with your brand message. This attention to detail and typography elevates the professionalism of all your communications, and of course, color palettes. Colors evoke emotions and can significantly impact perception. Let's talk about mobile app development. You might think a mobile app is too expensive for a small business, but in 2025 it's more accessible and crucial. A custom app can be a game changer for local businesses. It's a direct channel to your loyal customers. Offer loyalty programs and exclusive discounts. Integrate delivery or click-and-collect services. Platforms like Fiverr Pro offer vetted developers for small businesses. Chapter 3. Alright, let's move on to our third essential service, local SEO. This one is absolutely critical, especially if you have a brick-and-mortar business or serve a specific geographic area. Think about how people find local businesses today. They pull out their phones and search best pizza near me, plumber in city name, or bookstore open now. If your business isn't showing up prominently in those local search results, particularly on Google Maps and in the Google Local 3-pack, you are, quite frankly, losing customers to your competitors. It's as simple and as stark as that. Local search engine optimization isn't just a buzzword, it's a fundamental requirement for visibility in your community. It's about making sure that when potential customers in your area are looking for the products or services you offer, they find, not someone else. This involves a range of strategies aimed at increasing your search engine rankings for local queries. It's a specialized field, and doing it effectively requires more than just stuffing keywords onto your website. This is where a Fiverr Pro local SEO expert can be an invaluable asset. These professionals understand the nuances of Google's local algorithm, which considers factors like proximity, relevance, and prominence. They can conduct a thorough audit of your current online presence, identify areas for improvement, and implement a strategy to boost your local visibility. This isn't about quick fixes or black hat tricks that can get you penalized. It's about building a sustainable local search presence. One of the first things a local SEO pro will likely tackle is optimizing your Google Business Profile, formerly Google My Business. This is your free listing on Google, and it's incredibly powerful. An expert will ensure it's fully filled out, accurate, and optimized with the right categories, service areas, high-quality photos, and compelling descriptions. They'll also help you manage and respond to Google reviews, which are a huge factor in local rankings and customer trust. Then there's the matter of local citations. These are mentions of your business's name, address, and phone number, NAP, on other websites, such as online directories, Yelp, Yellow Pages, local Chamber of Commerce sites, industry-specific portals, and other relevant platforms. Consistency and accuracy of your NAP information across these citations are crucial for local SEO. A pro can help build these citations and clean up any inconsistencies that might be confusing search engines. Chapter 4. Next up on our list, and this one is a bit more technical but incredibly important for overall SEO, is backlink building. Now, backlinks, which are essentially links from other websites to your website, are still one of the most significant ranking factors in Google's algorithm, and that's likely to remain true for 2025. Think of them as votes of confidence or endorsements from other sites. The more high-quality, relevant websites that link to you, the more authoritative and trustworthy your site appears to Google, which can lead to higher rankings. However, and this is a big however, not all backlinks are created equal. In the past, some people tried to game the system by buying thousands of cheap, spammy links from irrelevant or low-quality websites. Google has gotten incredibly sophisticated at detecting these manipulative tactics, and engaging in such practices now can do far more harm than good. It can lead to severe penalties, including your site being completely removed from search results. That's a risk you absolutely cannot afford to take with your business. This is precisely where leveraging Fiverr Pro for backlink building shines. You're not looking for someone who promises 1,000 links for $50. Instead, you're gaining access to seasoned link-building strategists who understand the importance of quality over quantity and who employ ethical white-hat techniques. These are professionals who focus on earning genuine, valuable backlinks that will actually help your SEO, not hurt it. So what does white-hat link building involve? It's about creating valuable content that other sites to link to. It's about outreach to relevant bloggers, journalists, and industry publications to share that content or to offer expert insights. It might involve guest blogging on reputable sites in your niche, where you provide a valuable article and in return, get a link back to your site. It can also involve getting listed in high-quality, relevant directories or resource pages. A Fiverr Pro link building expert will typically start by analyzing your current backlink profile to identify any potentially harmful links that need to be disavowed. Then, they'll research your industry and competitors to identify link building opportunities. They'll focus on acquiring links from websites that have good authority, are relevant to your business, and have a genuine audience. Chapter 5. Video editing services are incredibly close to my heart and work. In 2025, video content is non-optional for most businesses. YouTube, Instagram Reels, TikTok, Facebook Watch. Video is where audience attention is focused. It's engaging, shareable, and it sells. Quality editing can make or break its effectiveness. Poorly edited video can hurt your brand perception. Fiverr Pro video editors can transform raw footage into polished, engaging content. They elevate your video from homemade to professional. Think about the different types of video content a small business might need. You could be creating YouTube videos to share expertise and build a community, or short, punchy promo videos for social media ad campaigns, product demonstration videos for your e-commerce site, or even internal training videos for your staff. A pro editor can handle all of this. These elements contribute to a high-quality final product. So there you have it. My breakdown of the top 5 Fiverr Pro services that I genuinely believe every small business owner should be looking at leveraging in 2025. We covered professional logo and brand identity to build that crucial first impression, mobile app, development to connect directly with your customers, local SEO services to ensure you get found by people in your area, strategic backlink building to boost your site's authority, and finally, professional video editing to make your content truly stand out. The common thread here is smart outsourcing. By tapping into these pro services, you're not just delegating tasks. You're accessing specialized expertise that can save you an incredible amount of time, help you skip the painful and often costly trial and error phase, and ultimately drive real, measurable results for your business. It's about focusing on what you do best and letting verified experts handle the rest, allowing you to compete effectively and grow smarter. If you're serious about taking your business to the next level this year and beyond, I've gone ahead and linked all the top-rated Fiverr Pro gigs for each of these services right there in the description below. These are trusted, verified professionals who are ready to help you achieve your goals. Take a few minutes to explore them. It could be the best investment you make for your business's growth. And hey, if you found this video helpful, please do me a favor and hit that like button. Make sure you're subscribed to the channel for more content like this. And if you have any questions at all, drop a comment below. I make it a point to reply to every single one.